Well, here we are up above the Sycamore Grove here in Livermore, California. And you can see this is how the grass looks before the fire hits it. And this is the area that the fire hit. So right over the hills over here to the left is going to be Del Val Reservoir and State Park. And this is the area of the hills that, if you look at the map of the burn area or fire danger area, this is the area that all burnt. Here's Victoria, my sister-in-law, and Ladani. We're on a little hike over here in Sycamore Grove, and there's Livermore up over those trees right there, up in there. That's where we live. So there's still some fire burning. They're 45% contained. Let me turn this on myself here. 45% contained. But I thought I'd do this VEDA here today. I'm going to do my live stream at 4 o'clock today. Got some unboxing to do. A couple small items. I haven't been buying a lot of big items, obviously. Don't need many big items. Not that I don't need more guitars, but you know, you always need one more. So yeah, there's some good deals out there to be had. Labor Day's coming around the corner here. And so I'll be looking for some stuff. But I got some cool little things, and we'll be opening that and maybe playing some music. I haven't had very much practice at all lately, dealing with my dad and stuff, but I got stuff situated there at the home, which is great. Doing a selfie here, so I'm doing myself, just so you know. So I'm doing myself. Oh, so you walked into the shot instead of out of the shot, but that's okay. I kept you out of it. Okay. Not that the mask has you disguised too, you know? Yeah. So here we are overlooking the Sycamore Grove Valley here. And there's all that green stuff up over those hills, over my right shoulder. It's probably to your left. Or some vineyards there. A lot of vineyards in Livermore actually has more vineyards than Napa. This is pretty steep. It's going to be kind of dangerous. That's the good part. Yeah, you're right. Going down will be a little tricky. Let's stay off the rocks and stay on the grassy part and be more grippy. Honey, don't go on the rocky part because you'll slip more easily. It's probably more grippy on the grassy section. Anyway, I'm going to turn this off. Leave it with these two. Hopefully they don't roll down the hill. Music therapy labs out.